You're recording right now.
Now we are. You're on.
All right. This is a brand new target, and Bobby is going to place 10 rounds into a
20.
brand new target.
Here we go. This is only after 2 hours of sighting in. Here we go. Remington. Don't buy Remington. Let's show them the imprint of the, show that the, what's it called? Primer was hit.
Yeah.
Right there. Look at the dent in it. So now we're going to go ahead and jack another one in. If we send this to Remington, we might get a free case. Nice. That's pretty good. There we go. Now we're live. Another Remington issue. Oh, there you got that one.
Lock and load.
Lock and load. Damn, there's something wrong with that firing pin, man. Or, like you said, it could just be the ammo.
It's the ammo.
Wow. All right, we're going to have to stop.
Hold on.
We got another. Hey, the zombies are coming, damn it. The zombies are coming. Fuck.
All right. Kill it.